This is a NorthPada 6mm by 32-foot anchor rope. And it's in a pretty tightly wrapped set of plastic here. Alright, it has a locking carabiner at this end. The magnet of truth says this is steel, probably zinc-coated steel, so you may have to worry about a little bit of rust if you were to leave this attached to an anchor underwater for a while. It has a reasonable knot with some heat shrink tubing holding that end. This end over here looks like it's been heat cut with a hot knife, so that looks pretty good. Checking the length here, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, looks like at least 32, if not slightly more. Measuring 5.5 millimeters here. You know, it's 4.2 if you really compress it, but I think just overall you could give that a 6 millimeter if you don't compress it at all. So it looks like it's going to match its specifications. Let's take it out and just make sure everything works and it actually floats like it claims to. This is at the $10 price point, so you get a, you know, inexpensive but functional locking carabiner and 32 feet of rope. Alright, so I've got my anchor here. Let's see how well this rope actually floats. You can see here the anchor line is floating up until the point it goes down to the anchor. So as long as you have enough height of rope, it will float to the surface if you accidentally drop one end. And there's my anchor.